sale, 37. What is a dart?
It's a Fury called.
Oh, it's a Fury?
Fury.
Oh, okay. Damn. 37. That's a lot, man. 20. 20 bucks on this? Yeah, I'll do that.
Got a bike?
No, I just like them.
Wall hanger. There you go.
Yeah, license plates are always good. Let me see here. You got 50. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, you want to take the tag back?
Take the tag first.
Yeah, oh here, grab that.
That's a good one.
You gotta separate this. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Hey, you're welcome.
Yeah.
All the black plates are $100.
And they're the nail.
How much are these? $7, low par. Nice.
At least it's metal. It doesn't have
Yeah, man.
busted yet.
$7. Price is right.
You
Nice.
picked it up and looked at it. I'll take 5.
Take 5.
You picked it up and looked at it. You gotta do it now.
I did. Oh, I really wanted to pick it up and see. You know, you gotta see it to see what it's all about. How much is that metering block or whatever? What is that, base plate? Not metering block.
This guy?
Yeah.
Whopping 5.
5. So.
You know you want it.
I know. We'll walk around. We're just seeing. We're seeing. Yeah. Thanks, man.
All right. Have a good one.
Yeah. Cool. The deals are good. Yeah, it's worth 5, man. It's worth 5. How much are the plates?
10 a piece if they are not mates, and 40 if they're mates.
Got you. Okay.
Yeah.
This one's 100, you said, or this one's 10?
Up there or
Oh, the set. This is 10. I'll give you 10 for that if you want.
What's underneath it? 51. I'd go 20 bucks on it.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good. That's a cool one. But yeah. Thanks.
Down to it. Sorry. Make sure there's not a twin to it. How much on the rear? Yeah, 300.
15?
We're going 500 online all day long.
15?
Yeah.
I'm game for 10 for sure, but I do 15.
Everybody's wanting that one. I don't know why.
Rio de Janeiro,
I'll tell you what, come back at 10 o'clock. It's still there. I'll do the 15. Let's put it that way, okay?
Yeah, sounds good.
I got too many people. I don't know why they keep picking that one up.
Yeah, no worries. Might as well just grab it now. It will be gone. It will be
It
gone.
will. That's
How's it going? How much for the Holly? That looks brand new.
$500.
500?
Pretty low miles, yeah.
Wow. And then how much would that one be too?
40 bucks.
40? How much are the plates? I was gonna say, I heard about this one. This one's mine. Hey, how's it going? Are they all different prices?
Not really. I want 50 for the pairs.
Okay. Nice. In the frames? That's a pair of frames.
Yeah. I'll take 20 bucks for the pairs.
20 bucks. Put this down.
I've got a bigger box than that at home. I've been collecting for a while myself.
The crazy thing is the price keeps going up though, because there's plates that I've sold in the past that now I'm buying back for even more than I sold them for in the past.
They
So
seem to do that until I get them. Then they go in the toilet.
yeah, so it depends. You really want to get rid of them. So
Now the yellow ones, I didn't know this pair was in here.
I'll do 200. Want to do 200 for this pile? You look at it.
Okay.
200 even. Yeah. I mean.
Buying that one?
No, I already bought that.
Oh.
It's for sale. Yeah, I don't know what it.
You're just 20 bucks away from buying it.
Can't do 200.
Yeah.
What about save one of the singles and then 200? Do that because I got cash right now.
Yeah.
You want to do it?
No, I'll do 220. Stick them back in the box if you don't want them.
I don't know. 220. Yeah, might as well.
Be clear.
Yeah, but then that's the risk I'm willing to take.
Most
you know?
of them I've had over 20 years.
And then I'm sitting on them. Yeah, dude. 220, and I get this little tag too. Yeah.
Okay.
I get the little tag. All right. Sounds good, man. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right.
I don't know. Yeah.
Good chance. Probably 99%.
Here's 100. Let me think here. I got a 50. I 10 also on top, right?
Right.
With that, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool, thanks.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Are you interested in those? No.
Thanks for making it this far. Hopefully you enjoyed that one. I sure had fun. So these are the plates I got. These are cool. These are exempt. So, I don't know, those probably came off like a dump truck or a concrete truck or something, who knows. But got a 1951 with the 53 tab. That one's pretty cool too. Motorcycle plate. I do not know what state this is. I gotta do some research, but it might be Oregon or Arizona or something. I have no idea, but and these frames look good, so I don't know how good Bakersfield. We'll see. We'll put these up. But also, I don't think I got a shot of it, but I got this carb and got it for 10 bucks, and I know I can just flip it for 60 real quick, so I had to pick that up. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed.